guys, I decided to pack my hair up today. I don't know how I look, but I look funny. Yeah, update on my book, the book of the month that is meant to be for February. You try Rara interpretation. I did not try at all, so I'm not reading, and I'm still at page 170. That's not good. So I'm going to try and read it now. I'll set a timer and read. I want to set a timer now. Where's the clock? I want to set a timer now. Well, let's try with 20 minutes. So I'm trying with 20 minutes first. afternoon. It's afternoon. No, yeah, it's afternoon. 3:59. Almost evening. All right, so how are you doing today? Hope you're fine. Hope you're doing well. I just want to come on here to say hi to you guys and appreciate you guys for, drum roll please, for 439 subscribers. I'm so excited, and I know that without you guys I can't get here today, so that's why I'm here to say hi and thank you so much. Your girl is grateful. Thank you. I am so happy. Hopefully we get to 500 subscribers before the end of the month. So what happened today? I've done a lot of things. I cooked, and I'm still cooking, and I'm also going, I've done my laundry. I'm just going to go put it on the wire, and yeah, so that's all. Guys, can you see where I'm sweating? Can you see where I'm sweating? That's how hot Nigeria is right now. Everywhere is so hot, and I don't have a fan yet in my house. Please God provide for me. Oh, so I don't have a fan yet in my house. Let me just say this: starting all over again, living alone requires a lot of patience. You have to be patient with yourself and just enjoy the moments. It's really about the journey, not the destination of where you are going to. The journey, yeah, that's what is really important with starting all over again, discovering yourself and everything. So I'm taking it one step at a time, and I am happy for my own progress as well, and I'm sure you guys are happy for me. All right, so see you guys later. Thank you.